AY Moving Company. We are on a job right now, doing a packaging job, going to Mumbai, India. AY Moving Company, LLC. This is what we do right here. We do a very professional job, very high-end clientele. We do the job right, man. We are on the job. This is Mr. Pius. He's been with the company for a while. It's one of my aides right here. How you doing, Mr. Pius?
Yeah, I'm good.
Yeah, this is my man right here. Yes, AY Moving Company, LLC. This is what we do, man. Yeah, I'm just giving you guys a little walkthrough to see what we do, what we deal with. You know, we deal with quality stuff. We provide quality service. You know, this is what we do, man. We do the job right. AY Moving Company, LLC. You can go to the website anytime you want, aymoving.com, or you can call us at 678-886-0204. This is my man right here. This is the captain of the crew right here. This is Alaji. He's been with the company for about 5 years. He's a very nice guy. You know, the company would be nothing without this guy here. He's been hanging with us doing the quality job for the past 5 years. Alaji Betting Life. Let me give you a walkthrough to the dining room area. All this has to be shipped, has to be packed professionally and shipped to India. If you need an international job, this is what we do. If you're relocating from one state to another, from one country to another, this is all we do. We do a very good job, and this is the proof. You know, this is the proof of the work we do, the kind of work we do. AY Moving Company, LLC. Atlanta #1 moving company. Over 10 years in business, man. It's what we do, man. You guys have a beautiful day, and please give us a call. We will provide all your moving needs at a reasonable rate. The number is 678-886-0204. That number again is 678-886-0204. Thank you.